please make sure that you're on patreon.com/themaster. Now scroll all the way down to first change your currency. On this example, we are on British pounds, so just switch it to US dollars and continue. Now on the top right side, press Login, then Sign Up. Fill out your username, email and password and then press Sign Up. Now you have to confirm your email. Now you are back to your Patreon account, so just select your country, save, go back to account, check your currency if it's on US dollars. If it's not, change it to US dollars, click it, update. Then go back to your settings, press more, then connected apps, and then you just connect Discord to your account. Please be sure that you check your account which is connected. To make sure that your Patreon is connected to Discord, go to Discord, then settings, then authorized apps, and then you will see Patreon popping up there. So let's get back to patreon.com/themaster. Please be sure that you are logged in on the left side. Then choose your package, payment details, card or PayPal, fill it out and just press subscribe now. Now back to Patreon. In my example, you see my membership is BSC. We go to Discord. We will see announcements that we have the DR Academy there and we are in BSC channel. If you are still not connected to Discord, go back to Patreon, membership, scroll down, Discord community, connect to Discord and reconnect.